In this lecture, we'll cover the basics of discovering SQL injection vulnerabilities using SQL map. We'll start by exploring the help menu to understand the options available in SQL map. Before we dive into any commands, let's quickly take a look at the help menu. This will give us a better idea of the various flags and options we can use while performing SQL injection testing. So just type in the command SQL map -help. So it will display you the help menu. Okay. So here we can see many options like -h for showing basic help message, -hs for showing advanced help message, and many more options. We can see if you want to set the target, if you want to specify target URL, you can use this option -u. Okay. In this lecture, we'll focus on discovering SQL injection vulnerabilities. So for that, we will be using DVWA, which is a safe environment to practice security techniques. So let's start the pen test. Let's just change the directory to pen test lab, and we will start the DVWA. Okay. If it is displaying you any error while loading the website, okay, this web page, then first you can stop it. Then you can use the command stop DVWA and start it again. After starting the DVWA, just open this link, and we'll log in as admin as username and password as password. Click login. Okay, then move to this tab SQL injection, and here submit anything as user ID. I'm submitting one as user ID and click submit. Okay, so you can see it is displaying ID 1, first name admin, surname admin. So just copy this URL. Okay, just copy this URL and then open your terminal and then type SQL map and then specify the URL with the cookie. Okay, cookie PHP session ID. So guys, for getting this PHP session ID, inspect this page. Click here, right click and inspect the page. Go to the storage and then copy this value. Okay, this is PHP session ID and then paste it here. And security equal to low. As you can see, security level equal to low. Guys, do not forget these single quotes. Okay, and then hit enter. So you can see it is displaying us the result. It has identified the backend database as MySQL and existence of SQL injection vulnerabilities. And you can see ID parameter in the URL as vulnerable to SQL injection. And it is testing for multiple types of SQL injection methods like Boolean based blind, error based, and time based blind, right? Union query. So this is how you can confirm that the application is vulnerable to SQL injection. In the next lecture, we'll explore how to enumerate database tables and retrieve data using SQL map. We'll dive into options like -dbs for database enumeration and -tables to extract the list of tables. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.